Dear God, I am here to pray tonight. Thank you for bringing me safely to the end of this day.
Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create AI children's prayer videos using ChatGPT and Flow AI together.
Welcome to Digital Hustle Academy, your ultimate guide to mastering digital skills and making money online.
This method is very simple. ChatGPT helps you write the prayer script. Flow AI turns everything into a full animated video with child voice. Let's begin.
First, go to ChatGPT and ask it to write a simple children's prayer. The script should be short, easy to understand, calm and emotional. Example structures: opening prayer, followed by gratitude, then protection, kindness, then closing with amen. The script is the foundation of your video. Before going to Flow AI, decide your scenes. Usually 5 scenes: child praying beside bed, family gratitude scene, child sleeping peacefully, kindness or sharing moment, final peaceful sleep scene. This helps Flow AI generate structured visuals. Now I go to Flow AI and create a new project. Choose the video format, YouTube or Shorts. Then I paste a full prompt with the script and scene descriptions. Flow AI will automatically generate visuals, animate scenes, add transitions, sync everything. This is very important. You select a child voice, soft and gentle tone, slightly slow speed. This makes the video feel like a real child praying. Once I run the prompt, Flow AI creates full animation, voice narration, scene transitions, cinematic effects. No manual editing needed. If needed, add soft piano music, lullaby music. Keep it slow so the voice is clear. So this is the editing part where you have to add all the videos that you created in Flow AI. Add subtitles so children can read, follow along, understand better. Finally, export it in 1080p. You can upload it to YouTube or TikTok or Instagram, whatever social media you are using.
Now let's watch our children goodnight prayers.
Dear God, I am here to pray tonight. Thank you for bringing me safely to the end of this day. Thank you for my family. Thank you for my parents who love me. Thank you for taking care of us every day. Please watch over me tonight. Keep me safe while I sleep. Protect me from every fear. Help me to be kind to others. Help me to share and love my friends. Teach me to always do what is good. As I close my eyes, I trust you completely. I am safe in your care. Amen.
And that's it. That's how I create AI children's prayer videos using ChatGPT and Flow AI. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.
Make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips to master your digital hustle.